Hello everyone, my name is Teresa and welcome to my Tuesday vlog with vlog series where I take you on a date with me every Tuesday. Food date, food trip, yay!
Freshly made. Wow. Oh, sige. I will have an udon. Their udon are freshly made. Wow. Every day.
Ako talaga. Wait. Maganda.
Katrina is demonstrating how to put a bib.
Yung baby. Yes.
Like meron tayong traditional family food. Miso dashi broth.
Kasama po yung starter sa discount.
50% lahat.
Lahat yung sweet. Drink siya ka sweet. Oh, sige, magkuha tayo. Let's have a starter. Gusto mo shrimp dynamite?
Gusto kong dynamite shrimp.
Okay.
Ay, tempura pala.
Tempura, shrimp? Sige po.
Gusto niyo yung Japanese authentic? You can go with the traditional.
Pero I'll have definitely a udon.
With the chicken, shrimp, meron tayong vegetable, may tantan, meron tayong katsu, lovely po.
And all of this is 50% off.
Meron naman tayo mga yaki udon stir fry. Meron tayo nito
Gyoza, gusto mo? Oh, hindi na lang. Sige, ano na lang tayo, dynamite shrimp.
Gusto pa ba? Dynamite shrimp. Masarap din ang gyoza.
Gyoza isa. Sige, isang gyoza. Isa lang din duck naman para maiba.
Ay, hindi ako makain.
Sige, scallop and shrimp.
Sige yan.
Okay, sige. O, diba? So, patitikim sa amin. So, we'll have a taste of the sauce. So, we can decide which one we're gonna take.
Hindi ka na-yes. Ano sa'yo, ha?
things coconut na. Little spicy po. If you love the Japanese broth, you can go with this one. Miso dashi broth po. And this is miso base but with a coconut milk. Tantan men po. But with a beef lang po ito. Ito ay, if you love rice, you can have this one po. Katsu.
Katsu.
Rice
So, this is
udon
the typical
Yes po,
Japanese.
Yes.
And then this one po,
Curry broth po ito. May coconut milk. Ito dalawa, miso base. Ito little spicy with a coconut milk.
so, isa, one of these. Tsaka Japanese po. Okay. Oh, girl, may keratin ako. Tapos ano to, girl?
Chocolate yan.
Chocolate from Bali. Wow. Thank you, girl. Tapos ito naman galing Japan.
Hindi pa na siya expire.
Hindi pa siya expire.
Yung February pa kasi. Ay, March pala.
Thank you, girl. Thank you. Love you. My choose date. A choose date. Dynamite shrimp for starter. First bite. First bite, Katrina. Ano, girl? Sauce.
chili oil, light soya sauce, sriracha. And this is the 7 pesos.
Thank you. I mean, you can order just one, but we're greedy. Order two. You can actually dito, you can wash your face with this. It's a big bowl. Like seaweed. Between the two, ano naman sa gustuhan mo? What do you prefer? This one?
Today also is Tuesday and they have 50% offer for food. So it's amazing. Look at our bill. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!